Here in Illinois, Governor J.B. Pritzker announces tighter restrictions are coming to some of Chicago's suburbs as the surge of COVID cases continues. Good afternoon. Thanks for checking in with us. I'm Ben Bradley.
And I'm Lourdes Duarte. Let's start with the COVID numbers today here in Illinois.
Health officials report more than 10,500 new confirmed and probable cases, along with 14 additional deaths. The statewide case positivity rate is 11.4%. That's the number of people testing positive compared to the number of tests performed. 97% of those who have had COVID in Illinois report recovering. The elevated numbers lead Governor Pritzker to announce new restrictions in 3 regions, including several suburban counties.
WGN's Patrick Elwood is live at the Thompson Center in the Loop with details. Patrick.
Lourdes and Ben, good afternoon to you. In the simplest of terms, the governor says that the virus is winning. So new mitigation efforts are on the way. As a result, regions 5, 7, and 8 will now see new restrictions starting Wednesday. Those areas include Will, Kankakee, Kane, and DuPage counties. That means tighter caps on gatherings of 10 rather than 25, a new table count of 6 rather than 10 when eating out at restaurants that are still able to provide that service. That's the caveat there. Pritzker and the state's director of public health say with the cooler weather, unless adherence to mitigation efforts gets a lot better, the situation is going to get worse, and hospitals will be flooded with new cases. The positivity rates are trending upwards quickly.
Regions 7 and 8 share in this unfortunate trajectory. Each now has a positivity rate above 13%. Meaning just about 1 in every 7 tests in these areas is coming back positive. Per the WHO, the benchmark for reopening is no more than 1 in every 20 tests. Mitigations are only effective if they're followed. Too many local officials across the state are ignoring their local public health departments and doing nearly nothing to assist their residents in following even the most basic COVID-19 guidelines. Some elected leaders are allowing this continued rise in positivity to balloon out of control while taking no action. These mayors and city councils and county boards and state's attorneys need to take some responsibility for keeping their constituents safe. I promise them that responsibility pales in comparison to what could come when the hospitals in your area are filling up and there aren't enough nurses or doctors to save their constituents' lives.
So no doubt about it, a grim message coming from the governor today, and you could sense a certain amount of rising frustration on his part. He says the end goal, of course, is to keep the economy moving and the schools open. Without local enforcement of these measures, these mitigation efforts, that's pretty hard to do, he says.